Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. My name is Bindu Nair and this is the channel where we discuss the South Indian classical music or Carnatic music. Today we are going to discuss a very pertinent question that is asked eh, commonly these days, especially to music teachers. Can I sing? I get this question in emails, in my WhatsApp messages, etc., from people asking me this question: can I sing? So, the main five reasons that people have in their mind why they feel they cannot learn music or they cannot learn to sing. I thought let's discuss that today instead of taking a topic on music. This is a very pertinent topic to discuss. So, the first question people tell me is: can I sing? Because I have a very bad voice. To all those people, let me tell you there's nothing called a bad voice, okay? Don't compare your voice with others. Everybody has a unique voice. Your voice is unique to you. And once you learn to sing, your voice could be even more attractive than the voices that you feel are, beautiful. So don't judge based on what you hear today. Your voice is something that can be trained. What you hear today might not be the final end product when you start training your voice. So give yourself that chance to train. Give your voice the training, and your voice will be as beautiful as any other voice. Don't judge your voice. Don't compare with others. You have a beautiful voice. Everybody's voice is beautiful. Maybe 1% of the population might have a voice which is really not malleable enough to sing, but 99% of the people can develop their singing voice. So that's the answer to the first question. The second question is: I am too old. Can I sing now or can I learn now? Isn't it too old? Let me tell you, there is no age for learning music. I myself started learning music at the age of 30. I was busy with my corporate life before that, and I got into music with the aim of de stressing myself. And let me tell you, I have found drastic enhancement in the quality of my life after music came into my life. And slowly, music took over, and I have been a full time music student and music teacher for the past 15 years. So, age is not a barrier. Let me tell you that again: age is not a barrier. Even if you're 60 plus, you're a retired person, this is the time. You can start learning music now. Let us enhance the quality of the rest of our lives, make that more beautiful, enrich it with music in our lives. Third question: I have a beautiful voice or a good voice, but I cannot sing in pitch. That's the third question that people tell me. Again, you cannot sing in pitch because as of now, your brain and ears are not trained to sync with pitch. You need training for that. Some of us, some people are born with that skill, but 90% of us need to get our ears trained to understand what is pitch, and our brain need to sync with that. So it's a process. It's not something that comes overnight. So get yourself into training, find a teacher or a program, and once you start learning music, your shruti or your pitch alignment will happen for 99% of the people. Maybe again I said it's just the 1% who might not get that. And again, some people might get it in one day, some people can get it in 1 year. But don't judge yourself. You will do it. You will do it. It's just a matter of time. You need to what do you say? You need to undertake the lessons first and then decide. Okay, don't be in a hurry to judge yourself saying I cannot sing in pitch. The next question I get is that I can sing in pitch. I have a good voice, but I have breath control problems. I cannot hold my notes for long, or I get breathless while singing. That's a common problem. A lot of us have that problem. I myself, I'm still working on that. And that is again something which has a solution. All singers work on their lung power, on their breath control. So there are breathing exercises, there's pranayama, everything that can be done on a daily basis, and you will see the results so fast. Your And that not only improves your singing, it will improve even your health, your peace of mind, your mind clarity, everything will change when you learn pranayama and the correct breathing pattern for your singing voice. So, again, I've answered the question for you. If you have breathing difficulty, you can do it. You can still learn music, it will all happen. And the last and the final and the most common reason or question I get is, I don't have the time. How do I find the time? How do you all find time to learn music in such busy lives that we have today? Yes, you can do that too now. Now, in today's age and world, you cannot give that excuse of I don't have the time, because things could not have been made more easier than what is happening today, especially with the lockdown. Everybody is online teaching, everybody is doing free workshops, paid workshops, basic lessons, YouTube videos, and name it, there is everything out there in a platter for you. So you cannot say I don't have the time. Even at my academy, Sanskriti Academy, last year we started this WhatsApp based learning, which is quite a big hit, especially with working people. We give bite sized audio lessons every week, which you can keep listening throughout the week while doing your chores, while driving. So you don't have to take that extra time out to go and sit in a music class. And subconsciously, you learn the music by listening to it repeatedly over the week, and next week you get your next small bit of lesson, then you get, so over a period of time music slowly enters your life, enters your brain, and then you can no longer give these excuses. Okay, so that way I'm sure there are others also doing such programs. So if you still don't find any program, you're free to write into us for the WhatsApp based learning program. Please write to us at sanskritiacademymusic@gmail.com. I'll write it down in the description, and I'll send you the details of the WhatsApp based learning program for all levels of music, right from beginner to Varnam to Kirtana level. And also, we are doing some free classes periodically, like this Sunday, 22nd November, 5 p.m. IST. We are doing a free class on Ganesha Pancharatna with notation singing for those who would like to learn this properly, the MS Amma version of it. And that is a free class. Anybody from anywhere in the world can attend it. It's a Zoom class. I will be giving the link in the description. You can take it down, and please feel free to contact us for more details regarding that too. Write into sanskritiacademymusic@gmail.com. So I hope after listening to today's video, even if one person decides to start his music journey or her music journey, I would be completed in my goal. My goal is achieved for today. So thank you so much for watching, and happy singing, and have a great day and safe 2020 ahead. Bye.